Hey guys, Tim here, aka VS Customs. Now, I want to bring to you something kind of cool today. Now, I usually talk about tiny trucks and how much I like to play and build with them. But today, I'm talking to you about something a little different. Still in the realm of scale. It's a little bit bigger. I think it's 1/6 scale this comes out to. But it is this new machine by Replicade. Now, I had to, as soon as I seen them making, they made Centipede, they made Tempest. Not big games for me, but as soon as I seen they were coming out with this, I ordered it up. I think it was the first day of pre-order. I was in there like Flint, and I had to have it. So I've taken the wrapper off of it. I haven't taken it out of the box. I really want to check this out, but just looking at this box, it is absolutely fabulous. It comes amazing, and I'm kind of pumped. Apparently, if you did the pre-sale, you got the bonus second player stick. So there's one player on here, second player on the board. So let's check this out, open it up, and really get this thing going. All right, so let's dive into this bad boy and see exactly what is inside. I'm pretty stoked. As I said, you know, just the look of the box, it actually looks amazing. It is licensed by Capcom, so I mean, that makes it cool. You know that it's not just some kind of stupid emulator in there. It is actually the ROM from the machine. It comes with Championship Edition and Street Fighter 2 Turbo. But let's open it up, see what we got inside, and see what how this baby looks. So they send you a little Replicade owner's manual. Comes with the charging USB. It looks like, if I can get in there, a couple little tokens and maybe some extra rubber feet or something. I'm not going to rip this open right now. I'm not going to worry about it. I mean, it's a book and maybe how to run it. I mean, it's well foamed in there, well packaged up. So let's get this out. Woo. Toss that back there. Comes in a little plastic bag. And here we go. Does that not look like the real thing? And then, because it's the pre-order edition, it comes with a second controller. So that you can run 2-player on the side. Now, these feel pretty good. They look realistic. I mean, they look about as close as you're going to come to how the machine looked. I'm pretty impressed. So that puppy goes back in there. Maybe that's what that cable's for. I could be wrong. Maybe that cable's to hook this up to the back here. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Toss that in there. Now, I don't know if it comes with a charge. Look at that. The coin doors light up. The marquee lights up. This looks good. You know, Replicade, I have to give you guys kudos. Now we just wait. We wait till it gets going. Now, it does come with a volume in the back, rear speakers. Obviously a little piece of plastic on the front. But let's set up the camera for a little bit closer look at how this works. Alright, so I got it all set up, ready to go. As you can see, change doors light up. The marquee is all lit up. This is all original style, and you know what? Just because I'm not a hardcore collector, want to see what it looks like to the max. We peel off the plastic. Let's get rid of that. See how we do this here. So you hit the change door like you put in a coin. One player start, one credit. We're one player. Let's check this out. Now, I haven't played Street Fighter for years, let alone Street Fighter on a console, let alone Street Fighter with my fingers. So this is what we got here. So the gameplay to me is pretty good. I mean, straightforward. You can see, obviously it's a little bit light. Maybe I'm just a little bit rough on it, but I'm really digging it. The gameplay is pretty realistic. Aye. There we go. There's a couple rounds for you guys. I mean, you can see how it is. Guess I didn't die real quick. I'll probably die here because I'm absolutely terrible at it. I'm really liking the way the joystick feels on this. Sorry, I'm all quiet here. I'm just taking it in. This is actually really good. I'll let him finish me, or film me. I'll let him finish me. That way you can see what the ending looks like. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Here we go. But this thing plays just like the real machine. I'm pretty impressed. I mean, obviously nowhere near the same size, but the LCD screen is really nice. It's I mean, can you get any more realistic to the real machine than that? I'm impressed. So that's it. Way to go, Replicade. You know, this is pretty cool. Hey, look, even the back lights up. That's pretty slick. Shows you that little second controller back there for the 2-player action. I'm liking it. I might have to add more of these to my collection, I guess, that I'm going to start here and go from there. Now I also want to show you guys, this has 2 modes. It has Super Street Fighter and Street Fighter 2. So here. So the way you get to this is you push player 2. Here's your difficulty screen, marquee light, backlight. You can do all that kind of stuff here. We're going to change over to Street Fighter 2. I'm going to load that up. There we go. I have to say, this screen actually looks really good. Now I'm not going to play this. I'm going to let it do its thing. So if you're a fan of the Super Street Fighter Edition, they at least have that too. So a little bit pick up with the Bruce Lee kind of guy there. So that's it, guys. I am pretty impressed with this Replicade machine. I'm not in any way, you know, forced to say I like Replicade. I paid for this 100% out of my own money, but the fact that this looks just 100% like the real machine. I mean, it's even the cut corner HS5 box. I remember playing this, you know, way back in the day. Don't want to age myself, but I remember playing it, and it is actually one of my favorite machines, and one machine that I'm actually thinking about putting into my house. If I can even just get the case, I will figure it out with a Raspberry Pi setup. But this was a must-need. As soon as I seen it was available or for pre-order, it was one I had to add. So, I mean, with the coin doors, the fact that the coin doors open up, it's all metal. I mean, this is something that nobody's putting out. So keep an eye if arcades are your kind of thing. I know I'm going to be looking for them. They're coming out with 1943. I'm hoping for some Mortal Kombat down the road. But definitely keep an eye out on them. If you're into that kind of stuff, I mean, it's not for you tiny truck guys or you scale guys. I mean, well, it is scale. But I feel like I'm rambling on here. So check them out. They're on Facebook. I don't know where else they are. That's where I found them. And I'm done. So like always, like, subscribe, and share. Follow along on Instagram under Tim Bluer, aka VS Customs. And I'm going to get back to some tiny trucking after I play a couple rounds of Street Fighter 2 to get a little better at it. Cheers.